So I've just chucked a bit of fuel in the Fab, but not too much though. Today we are in race mode. We got to keep the weight down and the power up. So not too much fuel in the tank, because today we're doing a 0 to 60 challenge in my Fabia VRS. So I've made it to the drag location. We're out in, quite literally, the sticks. We are right in it. This is the only place that I've managed to find that hopefully we can put some sort of decent 0 to 60 time down. Unfortunately, British weather, March, it's wet on the floor, so it's not going to be the fastest time in the world. But hopefully I'll be able to put a time down that is pretty reasonable, even with the conditions we've got. But today we are not just alone in the Fabia. We've got the special guest. He's been on the channel before. He's returning. It is Leon in his E92 M3. Leon is pretty much here to just completely show me up as usual, but I thought it would be a really cool comparison to see what the old trusty PD can do against a proper, you know, 20 grand plus performance package car. And here he comes again now. The plan is I'm going to try and set my best time possible with the draggy that Leon has brought with him today. After that, after I've got the best time that I possibly think I can get, we're gonna let Leon have it in the M3 and see how much he can absolutely annihilate us by. I just think it'll be a really cool comparison to see how much the trusty old PD can do against a proper M3. So without further ado, I'm gonna see what I can do. I'm gonna see what time I can do in the old girl. I'm gonna set some cameras up, give it hell. First ever 0 to 60 in my Fabia.
You laid some skid mark down the road.
It spins so much, honestly. Spins so much. It's like impossible to get any traction out of it. But we'll see what the draggy said.
I'm not gonna lie, I reckon
A second gear launch. Yeah, I know. Like scary though, isn't it? I
reckon just do it.
I might have
just
to.
launch it from like 3.5k.
Let's have a little look at what it said. So I've just done the first couple of runs and it just spins. The Fab just spins so much. I mean, the ground is damp and I am struggling for traction, but honestly, first gear, second gear, they're written off and they're the main gears you want for a 0 to 60 launch. Bit of a nightmare, but I think we've got a solution. What is this solution, you might ask? Let's just cut straight to it and see if you can see. I think my tyres have written off.
Gonna walk the whole length, mate?
Mate, look, there's actual rubber. Look, that's rubber. Feel it.
You know what, I'm walking it.
You walking it?
63 metres.
63 metre one wheel back.
That poor rain sport, mate. That
There's
poor
nothing
rain
left
sport.
of my tyres. That was my fastest one. That was the best one yet. 100% that was the best one yet. So I've managed to get a 7.4 on the Fabia, which is all right, but we're now going to move on to Leon's M3. Leon, how are you feeling about this?
A bit nervous. Road's greasy. Claim 0-60 in these is 4.1 to 4.3. I don't think we'll do anything near that today. One, because the road's a little bit uneven. As I said, it's greasy. We have got 275s at the back, which will help. But the launch control in this preload anything, so it'll just rev to 6k and then it just dumps the whole trans.
Goddamn!
And it just dumps the clutch from 6k. So in these conditions, that's not going to help us at all.
Nah,
so
not at all. A bit of driver mod is needed.
A bit of driver mod. I think I'm actually just going to pin it with traction on MDM from idle. Still does.
See what she's going to do. He's got the big old chili barbs on the back, so hopefully he'll get some sort of grip. And I mean, he'd done a couple of test hits earlier, and this thing is moving.
Ready?
I mean, I don't know what was going through my head thinking that I might have somewhere near that. That car is so fast and it sounds so sick as well. Oh my God. I'm not being funny, but if you're seeing that and you ain't smashed that subscribe button yet, then what are you doing? I know most of you guys watch these videos on your TV. Just get your phone out and smack the subscribe button. Then hopefully I might have an E92 M3. That would be sick. That looked pretty quick.
I think it was alright.
That looked pretty quick. Are you going for another one this way?
I could, yeah.
Go on, let's see it. Has just ran a 5-second flat in the E92 on damp roads, might I add. So that's fast. That is a fast car. We are just letting it cool down because she's a hot gal. And now I know the time that I want to try and come near to.
You need some Mickey Thompsons, mate. Some drag sticks, you'll be all over it.
There's no chance in hell the Fabia will get a 5-second flat unless I get some radials on the girl and a bone dry day. But I still don't think it's doable. But I'm gonna aim to as close as a 5-second as I possibly can get. I'm gonna have a couple more goes, see how close I can get.
Oh, that could be the one. That was quick, but he was rolling. Will it disqualify him for the roll?
Right, I don't know how I've done it, but I've just done a 5.8. Leon done a 5. I just got 0.8 off an M3 in my Reeky Derb. Some might say that it wasn't a verified run on the draggy, but do you know what I mean? I mean, what does that mean? I don't know what that means. So, but I mean, I think the draggy, if the surface is a bit uneven and you're going downhill or uphill a little bit, it doesn't like to verify it. But it is slightly downhill, it's a bit bumpy, but it did record a 5.8 and it was a good run. So I'm claiming it, mate. The 5-second Fabia, I'm claiming it. She's done well. She's done us well, boys. So that is that. The fans are on again, but she's done me well. I'm absolutely chuffed with a 5.8 non-verified, but it's a 5.8 in a Skoda Fabia VRS. I'm claiming that in the damp. If you did enjoy this video, then please smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, share it to everyone, and we'll catch you guys later. Peace.